Hey everybody, in this short video I'm going to show you not only how to clean your stainless steel grill shelves, but also how to remove stubborn stains and scratches so that they look new again. Stay tuned to the end because there's some tricks that you don't want to miss. Alright guys, so you'll see that my stainless steel leaf here is not looking too good. It's got a rust ring there, it's got lots of scratches if you can see them, and just nicks and everything else. So we're going to take our microfiber rag, we're going to squeeze some soapy water into it, and we're going to begin cleaning all the grime and grease and other things that are on there from grilling and just being in the elements sometimes, right? If we forget to put the cover on. Alright, once we got this clean, it's going to be a lot easier to do what we got to do. I like to start with a clean surface. So we take the scour pad, put it back in the same soapy water, right? Put that over to the side here, and I like to fold it in half so it's easier to work with, and just go from a left to right motion, right? And what you want to do is go with the grain of the stainless steel. So follow the lines that are already on the stainless steel. Apply two hands for more pressure if you can, because the faster you do this, the faster you'll get done, because it's almost like sanding. The more pressure you apply, the faster it'll be. And just keep going left and right. Never go back and forth, remember that. Alright, so as you do this, you'll see it's starting to look a lot better, right? And by the time you're done, you just wipe it with some paper towels, guys. That's all you gotta do. A little bit of paper towels just to get the soap off, and this is the end result. Now, if you want to keep it looking clean, I highly recommend this grill mat that I just ordered and I haven't got yet, and some stainless steel polish here. These products will keep it clean, and the links are in the description. Now time for the before and after. These results are pretty dramatic and amazing. The link for all the products is in the description below. If you need it, please click on that. It helps to support my channel. Even if you don't buy those products, anything you buy on Amazon, after clicking that link within a 24-hour period will give us a small commission, help us to make more videos. Thanks, and please subscribe.